Hey there, foodies! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm happy that you stopped by. In this video, I'm going to create a refreshing infused water that's perfect for a hot sunny day, especially here in Florida. Recently, I've been trying to eat more healthily and eliminate unnecessary calories from my diet. By having a pitcher of infused water in the refrigerator, it provides hydration with added benefits. As a start, let me show you the McCook knife set I got as a wedding gift. These knives work like culinary magic wands, making slicing and dicing a breeze with their sharpness. With the McCook knife set, you'll be concocting refreshing blends like a pro. Picture this: vibrant fruits and aromatic herbs sliced to perfection, infusing your water with delicious flavors and essential nutrients. It's a picture of perfect refreshment. But the magic doesn't stop there. Infused water isn't just tasty, it's also a healthy hydration snack. Say goodbye to sugary drinks and hello to a refreshing guilt-free sip that'll keep you feeling energized and revitalized all day long. So what are you waiting for? Your taste buds and your body will thank you later. Let me know in the comment section what flavors you're going to make. And as always, thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!